Two major wireless contenders, AT&T and Visible, face off. Which one really delivers? On the left, AT&T, offering premium coverage and robust features. On the right, Visible, known for unlimited simplicity and unbeatable price. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Quick look at our mind map, because, I like to keep it organized. We're comparing price and value, coverage and network, plan simplicity, data and speed, international features, and customer service and perks. So yeah, buckle up. We're hitting all the good stuff. All right, first up, price and value. AT&T, honestly, if you want bundles and deals, they've got options for multi-lines and devices. But, and this is a big but, their unlimited plan can run you up to $86 a month. And that's before those sneaky taxes and fees. It's kind of complicated. You got to check your bill with a fine-tooth comb. Now, Visible, oh man, Visible is all about simplicity here. Two plans, $25 or $45 a month. Taxes and fees are baked right in, and you won't find yourself hunting for hidden costs. It's not perfect. You won't get family discounts or tons of flashy phone deals, but for what you pay, it's unbeatable. So, if you want zero confusion and bare minimum pricing, Visible takes it. Next, coverage and network. AT&T owns the network, so you're always getting top-tier service across the country. It's huge, reliable, and especially strong in most urban areas. Although, honestly, in some rural spots, Verizon, Visible's parent, actually has a slight upper hand. Enter Visible. They piggyback off Verizon's award-winning network, and for remote or country living, that can mean snappier service when AT&T drops a bar. The catch? When everyone's online, Visible can get deprioritized, so you're not always first in line. If you want the most consistent, robust coverage, AT&T snags this one. Okay, now let's talk plan simplicity. AT&T, look, they've got endless plan options. And if you're shopping for a whole family or need customization, it's great. But wow, comparing all those plans can make your head spin. Plus, you'll only score the best price if you set up autopay and paperless billing, which honestly feels a bit forced. Visible's approach is the opposite. Just two unlimited plans, no weird requirements, and boom, what you see is what you pay. You don't get limited data choices, but for most people, that's actually a win. Visible absolutely wins for simplicity, period. Oh, and here's something cool I can't ignore. Visible's lowest unlimited plan costs less than half of AT&T's premium unlimited. For digital minimalists, people who just want internet without any complicated legwork, that's honestly wild. And here comes data and speed. With AT&T, especially on the premium unlimited plan, you're living the high life. No speed slowdowns, even in crazy traffic, and you can hotspot up to 60 gigabytes. Pretty wild. But if you pick a lower tier AT&T plan, just know when you hit the cap, you'll slow down and bump to the back of the line. Visible, meanwhile, is all about truly unlimited data. The base plan never has hard caps, and you get unlimited hotspot too, though it's limited to 5 or 10 megabits per second, so not blazing fast. But Visible users always have second dibs to bandwidth when Verizon's busy, so you might notice a dip here and there. For sheer speed and reliability, AT&T's premium plan edges out. But Visible is a dark horse if you just want endless data at steady speeds. International features are up next. AT&T's got unlimited talk, data, text in over 20 countries on their top plan, and if you travel, those roaming add-ons are honestly clutch. Just remember, it's not on every single plan. Visible? The Visible Plus plan gives you unlimited talk to Mexico, Canada, and text support to 200-plus countries, plus landline calls in 30-plus. Pretty sweet for a budget carrier. That said, global roaming is only for Mexico, Canada on their base plan, so jet setters might hit a wall. If international travel is your thing, AT&T gets the nod. Last up, customer service and perks. AT&T pulls out all the stops here. 24/7 support, you can visit a store, call, chat, pretty much whatever works for you. And if you're hunting for a phone upgrade, their promos are all over the place. Downside? Some folks say issues take effort to solve, and dealing with reps is not everyone's favorite. Visible, on the other hand, is fully online, quick web and app chat support. Super easy, but if you want to talk to a human in person, you're out of luck. And sometimes online help is kind of slow. If customer service and in-store experience matters, AT&T still leads. Now, let's wrap things together visually. If you look at all 6 categories on a radar chart, AT&T totally owns coverage, support, international, and premium speed. Visible, though, blows the doors off on value and plan simplicity. It's crystal clear. The choice depends on what matters to you. So here's my final take. If budget, clear pricing, and zero hassle plans are what you live for, Visible is your champ. Big family, travel, and want never-ending top speeds? AT&T's the move, even if it costs a little more. Power users? Go AT&T. Budget users? Visible's your best friend. Enjoyed this little head-to-head? Go ahead and bookmark the video so you've got it handy when it's time to upgrade your phone. Don't miss out.